Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over an easy question that I solved over half a year ago. This one is called set mismatch. It is not a premium question and looks like a few famous companies are asking this question. So with that being said, let's go over it. So you're given a set of integers called s, which originally contains the numbers from 1 to n, and it basically says due to some error, one of the numbers got duplicated, and you basically want to find the number that occurs twice and the number that's missing and return them in the form of an array. So here 2 has a frequency of over 1, and then 3 is missing, so return 2 and 3. Here 1 is the duplicate, and then 2 is missing. So 1 to n, so you know this is not 0 because nothing can be less than 1. And so, but something can be bigger than whatever's the maximum in nums. So with that being said, let's sort nums. Let's print nums. And basically now what we can do is create a counter, which is going to give you the dictionary in the form of the value with the frequency. So let's print C. And we can also just sort this by, I'm not sure how to sort a counter, but basically we can just go over or use a default dict integer this time to do this. So basically building the dictionary manually, d of n plus equals to 1. And then sort dictionary d.items key equals lambda. That's the syntax for x0, right? So actually no, this we want to sort by the value in reverse orders from biggest to smallest so that we get the most frequent element at the very beginning of the dictionary. So that gives you 2 and 4k. I don't know how to get the first element of a dictionary, so we're just going to, maybe we can convert this to a list. Cool. So now, so we want to return an array of integers, right? So we know the first element is going to be d of 0, 0, because that's the duplicated one. And it looks like we already guaranteed an answer because it doesn't say return -1 or anything if there's not an element that's not unique. So there's not an element that has a frequency bigger than 1. And now, so we have part of our answer now. And what we want to do is find the missing number now. So that's pretty easy because for I, n in enumerate nums, for I in range length nums, this one's kind of like the first missing positive question. So cur equals to 1. If nums of I is equal to current, then current plus equals to 1. Else return current, or result.append current and break. This might not be correct. Results. Okay, so cool, it is, because basically we found 1, so current is now 2, but 2 is not in there, so that's what current is. So we're just going to append it and then break because we don't need to find any more because there's only one element that's missing, which is 3 here, which is 2 here. And we can just return result and see. So edge cases obviously doesn't work. Let's call this list set nums to filter duplicates nums.sort. So let's do this. So to find the missing number, maybe we can just run like a binary search. Let's print nums. 1, 2, 4, okay, 1, that's good. So for I in range 1 length of nums. This is actually kind of hard. So if nums of I plus 1 is not in nums, return nums of I, or result.append nums of I, break, return results. This might time out. No, it's not in nums. Okay. Plus 1 plus 1 3. Yep. Oh, sorry, nums of I plus 1. So this might time out. Ooh, okay, so still have some edge cases there. So if 1 not in nums, result.append 1, return results. Some nasty edge cases. Okay, cool. So did get my own solution, but this is in the bottom. It's not very efficient, but again, I did do it. So not terrible. We could make this better. Actually, that's fine because this is already a set. Let's get rid of the print statements. Okay. Well, I guess that's all she wrote. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this is not too difficult to understand. It was a bit messy, but I came up with that on the fly. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.